All right, so here's the deal. We're gonna paint the frame. Got chassis saver over here. We got a little bit of a mess over there, that's fine. Got some chassis saver over here. We're gonna be using an electric sprayer from Harbor Freight and hopes to cut down on some of the overspray. We're gonna use this. I've seen people use it. If it doesn't work, I will kill myself. So anyway, we're gonna use the Avanti sprayer from Harbor Freight. We got chassis saver. Let's set up and spray this bad boy. It is important to note that when actually painting, I'm a lot more careful, but with this, I'm kind of like, doesn't really matter as much. So let's get music going in my ears. We'll get set up and get going. That's gonna work fucking awesome.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season. Just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear.
So, it's a new day, we're back, but the frame is done. You kind of watched the process of the video. I'm sure it's all chopped up. As you can see, we just sprayed over the shocks and everything else doesn't really matter. I'm gonna rip those off, replace them. Got all new brake lines to run. But we gotta clear coat this. Because I said in maybe a TikTok or something that chassis saver isn't UV protected, so you do have to run over it with a clear coat so you can keep the shiny black, because otherwise you'll run into like a very chalky black and you don't really want that. There are a couple sections I couldn't get with the big electric spray gun that I used, so I will have to go over them with a can. I'll just buy a can of black and just, you know, touch up areas like sections like in there. You can, I don't know if you can see that, you couldn't really get in there that well. Sections like this, hard to get at, so we can just touch them up with some black paint. Down in here, this is where I started to have some issues myself. So yeah. So we'll touch these up with a can, and then we'll clear coat it with POR 15 top coat. So that's the plan of attack. Motor is next up though. We're gonna get the motor going here pretty quick. So, is that gonna be the end of the video? Yeah, we'll end the video here. Peace out, Girl Scout.